All right, time for part 2 of the MSI Charger install. As you can see, it's on the wall. When we last left off, I needed to have my whole area over here rewired to make sure this thing could fit. So I hired someone to do it so I didn't screw it up. And it looks pretty good. And so far, I have to say, this has been a nice upgrade over the Electron. Let's talk about why. So first things first, well, my cable management still needs a bit of work. That was the same for both of them. I love that the handle connects directly into the unit itself right here on the side. That's just handy and convenient. Number 2 is the app. I can see what's going on while I'm charging, how much it's costing me, how much power is being put out, how long it's been charging, all that stuff. My older Electron unit didn't do that. Now, newer Electron units will do that, but I just didn't have the one that did that, so now I have one that does that, but it's with MSI. As soon as I plugged in, the app updated and it's showing me all the relevant charging information I need to know. This Macan GTS right here charges at 9.62 onboard, so we're running at 9.13 kilowatt charging power and 38 amps at the moment. And yeah, I just like having this info so I know what's going on. Now, at the same time, this hasn't been a perfect experience. There's been times when the app wouldn't connect to its own Wi-Fi, and that was happening just before I was filming. So I had to figure out what to do, and I looked online real quick, and one of the suggestions was to power cycle the charging unit, which I did by flipping the switch, the breaker switch for it, turned it off, turned it back on, let it sit for a minute, it powered right up, and it worked fine after that. So it just needed a power cycle, and then the onboard, either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I'm running off Bluetooth at the moment. You can also run off Wi-Fi. And now it's working fine, which is good to see. The app itself is very basic. There's not a lot to be gleaned from this, but I like that I have more info than nothing, which is what I had in my old Electron charger. So if you're looking to add a charger to your garage for any reason, this is a pretty decent unit. We can revisit it down the road and see if it's living up to the ease of use that this one provided for a few years that I had it. Oh, crap. My mind right then was mentally thinking, stop recording. So I hit the stop button on the app, and now I'm stopping charging. All right, well, there's something to think about too.